Proud owner of a Mercedes SL did his research and found us on YouTube. So he came to us to get a project done on his Mercedes SL. Audio Motorsports team, let's go! Upgrading the Mercedes SL with new Alpine CarPlay, sound system, dash camera, and backup camera. It's a big deal installing a backup camera on a hardtop convertible. It's high-intensive labor job. Removing the CD changer and installing the 5-channel amplifier. How do you like that?
Damn, I love it.
3M ceramic window tint blocks 96% heat. Finished project. Educating the client on how to use a dash camera. Rear dash camera functional with a hardtop convertible. Check it out. Testing motion detection recording while the car is parked and completely off.
During parking mode, motion detection recording occurred. Continuous recording will now start.
Camera detected the motion and recorded the commotion.
She just wanna fuck before my clouds. Bitch, I'm off the lean, I crash the odd. I just spent 200 on this odd. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me. Woke up to niggas sounding like me.
Thanks for watching AMS TV. AMS TV. The AMS TV. AMS TV. AMS TV. AMS TV. AMS TV.